an absolutely terrifying security vulnerability just got dropped in the MongoDB. It's so bad that it got named after Heartbleed. You can search about Heartbleed online. And this one is called MongoBleed. It actually allows clients to steal raw server data from any MongoDB client which is connected to the internet. But here's the main point: you can steal the raw memory data without any credentials, any authentication. Just it's the case of memory leakage. This isn't SQL injection. This isn't misconfiguration. This is a buffer overread caused by compression, and it can expose passwords, secrets, and internal data that were never meant to be leave the server. Let me show you how exactly MongoDB works, and we will see it step by step. At a high level, MongoBleed is a memory disclosure bug actually, and the attacker sends a malicious request, and MongoDB makes a bad assumption actually, and then MongoDB accidentally sends back pieces of its own heap memory or garbage data, and if you ever heard about Heartbleed, then it's the same class of bug actually. And so the thing is, MongoDB actually allows clients to send compressed data requests, and to make decompression fast, you can mention what's the size of uncompressed data. Currently here, in case you can see on the screen, when user send this BSON, and it can mention that this is the uncompressed size of the BSON which we are sending from the client. So MongoDB provides that functionality for faster decompression, and then server does that. It allocates 1 MB of data on the heap. So in place of maybe 1 KB, it it allocates 1 MB of data, which client mentioned in the request only. And the main problem is that MongoDB, without checking anything, it blindly trusts the number actually. If client lies and says that message is 1 MB, then server will allocate more of the data, 1 MB data. So this and the access data may contain old passwords, tokens, and previously stored documents or anything. And the thing is that MongoDB doesn't use HTTP. It is own kind of TCP protocol, and it allows you to send binary JSON data. So the thing is, based on the binary JSON field names are C style strings, where you can read until a null byte. So if there is no null terminator, then parser just keeps reading the memory until it finds one. So which is a simple classic C style bug actually. And so the thing is that attacker sends a compressed request and lies about the size of uncompressed data. So it may tell that uncompressed data is 1 MB, but the actual size may be 1 KB. And the MongoDB allocates that buffer 1 MB of buffer, and full of all the maybe garbage data or previously stored data. And the attacker also sends invalid JSON. Here you can say that it's not a valid JSON. There's also no null terminator, so that MongoDB keep parsing the data. So MongoDB tries to parse that field, and it is unable to parse as it's invalid JSON. And it looks for null terminator, but it doesn't find anything. So it keeps reading, keep parsing the data, which it allocates, which we said that it was 1 MB. So it keep reading the data till the allocated memory, that's the 1 MB. After reading all of those, so it does that it's failure of parsing, because it's invalid JSON data. So it's sends the error message that this whole data is not a valid JSON. So actually it thought that this whole memory which it allocated was the client actually was the like uncompressed data. So in that error you can see that all those password data and all those things got leaked. So this is how, and this is actually read raw heap data. So that's the main bug here. So and this all happens before authentication, like MongoDB like can't authenticate it like malformed request, right? So the like code, so the request doesn't reach that auth code. uh, so so it means that you can like get raw data without any authentication, any like user account, any permissions. And if like any MongoDB instance is like internet accessible, then it's vulnerable. Attackers might use it at large scale, like it may send like thousands of requests per second, and its response will leak a different slice of memory. So over time, like they can reconstruct like passwords, API keys, or internal like data, any other customer information. So this is the main threat here. If this video helped you understand MongoBleed, hit like, and remember, never trust the client blindly.